Hey, good evening, everyone. So, first of all, right, let us try to understand if someone is new to prop firms, what is the major advantage of trading in prop firm accounts? Right, we may have our personal accounts, but always you have a limited capital, right? If you are in the country recently, you may have a 1,000, $2,000. If you are in this country since last few years, you may have 50K, 100K. If you are there since last 20 years, 30 years, you may have, but always you have a limited capital. If you have limited capital, you can make, or you have a limited capability to use that money. But with the prop firm trading, where you can, right, once you gain confidence, once you take time to practice, you have unlimited potential, because these prop firms will give you the amount to trade, and you can use their amount, and you can trade. And right, first 20,000, 30,000, 15,000, like each company has certain limits. So they will give 100% of the profits to you. After that, they keep 10%, they give you 90% of the profits to you. So once you take some, for few people, it may be a few weeks, for few people, it may be a few months, depending upon your focus and your ability to use the indicators or use the systematic approach. Based on that, once you gain that, right, we took years of learning to make 80K, 100K, 120K per annum. Once you take few weeks or few months to get that learning, you have unlimited potential. Whatever you make in a month, you can make in a day, right? Just for example, let me show, right? So yeah, this is right. Yesterday night I opened the first account. I was testing it. It was working fine. Then I added account number two, account number three, account number four. Now I took the account number five. So with your account, you have a limited capability, but with the prop firms, you can, right? For example, this is only one prop firm. I have Apex accounts. So if you are using the same effort, with the same effort, you are watching the same chart. You are making money in so many different accounts. So you have unlimited, unlimited potential, or unlimited. But it takes some time, right? It is. I'm not saying that it is very easy. You can start making money from day one, because right, maintaining the emotional balance will take some time. But once you get that, you can you have unlimited potential. So within one day, right, whatever I used to make 6,000 per month when I came to this country, now you can make that per day, provided you take enough time to learn, practice. But that is the major advantage. Once you, right, this is only with one company, and yeah, I'm also using Apex PA account, so I made some money with that. So that is the potential with prop firms, where you don't need to invest, use your own money, and you can scale up as much as you want. Right? If you have Apex and you have Tradeify, then you can trade on. Right? You can combine all those things using a software called Replicanto. You can connect all of them. You are watching the same chart, but you are taking trades in multiple companies, multiple. You can make the profits. So there are mainly two types of prop firms. One of them is where initially you need to complete something called as a challenge, right? It is called as evaluation challenge, where you need to prove them that you can make profits within a specified period without hitting a trial stop loss, and then then they will give you funded account, right? Again, whether they are giving you the real money or not, it doesn't matter, but they will pay you profits, right? Whatever you make, if you don't break the trial stop loss rules, if you don't break their rules, if you make profits, they will keep paying you that amount, 90%, or right, as I told you first, 15,000, 25,000, they will give you the full amount. After that, anything you make, they will give you 90% to you, 10% they will keep it. But you have to complete that evaluation, right? For few members, they may take 10 accounts. For few will take 20 accounts to get the first performer, right? First funded account. Funded account is also called as a performance account in normal terms, right? So the initial one, that is evaluation account, EA account, challenge account. Once you complete the challenge, the one which you get is called as a performance account or a funded account, where you will really start making money. The first one is more like you are only proving them that you can take the trades, you can make the profits without hitting the trail stop loss or the loss levels. So for some of them, they spend lot of time, lot of money we to complete the PA itself, because of, right, because generally the money for evaluation is, right, for example, Apex, when they have 90% off, they give it for $18 or something, right? With a nine, generally they run 80% discount, sometimes they run 90% discount. So with 90% discount, you are getting a 50,000 evaluation account for only $18. Because it is only $18, you feel it like, right, you don't treat that like a real money. Most of them try to go aggressive, go with a huge number of contracts, or don't follow a proper approach, proper systematic approach, and they take a lot of aggressive trades when it is a, because it is very cheap, right? $18. If they think like, yeah, if I complete it, I'll get a real account, I can start making money. They don't understand that whatever you are doing in evaluation, you may also do in performance account, and you may repeat the same mistakes, you may hit the stop loss. But one major reason why many people blow their evaluation accounts is because it is very cheap. They go aggressive without following the rules, and they spend a lot of money. They will be buying more and more evaluation accounts, and they will be blowing their evaluation accounts without a proper success to the performance accounts. So there are a lot of companies like Apex, Bullnox, Elite Trader Fund, Blue Sky, U Profit, Take Profit Trader, Top Step, etc. These are all our first category, where you have to complete a challenge. Once you complete the challenge, they will give you the performance account. And then whatever you make money in the performance account, you can keep 90% of it. Then there are second type of category, which are like Tradeify, Fast Track Trading, Tick Tick Trader, etc. Or second category, where you can directly go to performance account. So the major difference between these two, here the valuation is cheap, but because it is cheap, many people go aggressive, right? Without, even though we have a proper systematic approach, but many people just, or many members, because it is very cheap, we don't feel that like real money. We tend to go aggressive. But when you, these type of accounts are little expensive, because you are skipping all that process, you are saving all that time. You are directly getting the performance account, where from day one, whatever profits you make, they will be like your real money. So because your entry is little expensive, you can be more careful. You can, right, if you follow up, right, again, we have a system, we have a proper approach, where we'll also demo it later, where we'll show you how we can make that consistent profits. But because you are, right, here it is only $18, here you may pay $200 to get a performance account, or $300 to get a performance account. Because it is little more expensive, we can be more disciplined, we can follow the systematic approach. Second thing is, here you feel like you are just making paper money, right? Whatever money you make in evaluation, many of us will make it, and again we lose that back. But here, because it is the real money, we'll be more careful, we'll be more disciplined when we trade in the direct performance accounts. So that's why, like, if you are in category one, again, right, both are good approaches. One, where you are practicing in the evaluation, and then once you become successful, then you can follow the same principles, same approach in the performance. Second type of category, right? For example, you might be an experienced trader, or already you are making money with Apex or Elite Trader Fund or Take Profit Trader, Top Step, some other things you want to scale up more. and you don't want to again spend 3 4 weeks to complete evaluation to start making money, you can directly jump all that process. You can directly get into these accounts where you can start making money from day one. Or you might be thinking like, because it is very cheap, you are just taking aggressive trades. If it becomes little expensive, you might be more disciplined or you might be more careful while taking the trades. Then this option is for you. So it is up to you, right? Which one you want to go? You can go with approach one or approach two. Approach one is where you need to complete the challenge. It may take few days, few weeks. You may have to spend around 5 to 10 accounts to get one on average. You get one performance account. So if you want, so companies give, right? For example, Apex gives up to 20 performance accounts. That means you are taking the same trade, you can copy into 20 different accounts. That is only within Apex. And then Bullnox gives free, right? They will give unlimited evaluation accounts, but every time they give you 3 performance accounts. Allied Trader Fund gives 3 performance accounts. So like that, once you are successful with one, you can go to the next one. You can go to the next one for the same effort, for the same time. You can keep making money, and this is right. In addition to all those things, you also have Tradeify, fast track trading, others also, which are the second option where you can directly take the trades in the performance accounts and you can start making money from day one. So it is up to you, whichever you feel is good for you, you can do that. And what are the major advantages, right? Again, out of this Tradeify, fast track trading, tick trader, why Tradeify? The major advantage is most of it, we have a proper system established in our Tradeovate or in the trading view. We have our indicators which are working very good. If we follow the approach consistently, we will make 80 90% success. Whereas these fast track trading, tick trader, they are not available in the trading view. Whereas Tradeify, it is available. They have trading view or trader weight integration. So that is the best. Even though these are available, we were not using much. There are few members who are using taking payouts from fast track trading also. But because Apex, Bullnox, Elite Trader Fund, lot of these things are already we have in TradingView, or you can do in Ninja Trader using Replicanto. You can copy trades into all these different firms, most of these firms. Because Tradify is also there in TradingView. Now, if I am trading it, taking a trades in Tradify, I can copy the same trade into Apex, same trade into Bullnox. Like that, I can do multiple trades. Whereas fast track trading, tick trader, you have to again install a separate software, separate. So again, right, you cannot scale up, right? Whereas here, you have integration with TradingView for most of these platforms. So whenever we take the trades in Tradify or Apex, the same trade can be copied into all these different companies, right? It is like you are working on a software code, and that code you can give it to your employer, to another 10 employers, and you can make money. In the same way, here you are taking a trade. You can make money from Apex. You can make money from Bullnox. You can make money from Elite Trader Fund. You can make money from UProfit. That is the advantage. So the major advantage with Tradify is they have this trading view integration, and they have you right. They have 50K option, 100K, 150K. They have trade over Ninja Trader options available, and you can group trade, right? Basically, if you're taking trade in one account, you can copy the same trade into other five, and immediately within 1 minute 2 minutes you will get the username password. You can start. And there are some firms where they don't have a credit card mechanism. You have to again pay using cryptos, or you have to right, they don't have, right? For example, fast track trading or tick trader, they don't have a proper mechanism for the payments. Whereas for Tradify, you can do credit, you can pay using credit cards, and also they have 50% off until tomorrow, right? That is another best thing. So within Tradify, they have different options. So if you go here, So here also, just like Apex, here also you can, if you want to complete the challenge first, you can do it, right? You can pay 99 per month. That means with 50% off, you pay approximately $49 per month, where you have to make $3,000 with 5 minis. There is no daily loss limit. Your max, so within one day, right? If you complete within one day, you make the 3,000 target, you will get it. If you fail, if you hit the trial stop loss, you have to pay 45 for the reset. Once you complete the evaluation, you have to pay 125 for the performance account setup. So this is so just like Apex or other prop category one prop firms, here also you have those things. But the best thing here is you also directly you can get the funded accounts where from day one, whatever trades you make, you can make profits. So here you need to understand. So there is because there is no evaluation, you don't need to make any. There is no profit target, right? For example, for the entire 1 year, for a 50,000 account, you will pay 549. That is with the discount, you will pay approximately $275 per annum, and you can start making profits from day one. And you can once you make a certain amount, anything above this 2,500, then you can start requesting for the payout. And then you have a daily loss limit. That means, for example, if you are on day one, if you hit 1250, then it won't take any more trades on the day, right? It will on that day you have to it will automatically stop your trading. You can continue on the day two and you can recover, right? You might be having a bad day. So there is a soft breach. It is not a hard breach. It is a soft breach where you are basically it will automatically stop your trading. Next day you can recover that amount. And then at the end of the day, they will see right what is the trailing max drawdown. Then minimum trading days, you have to trade for minimum 10 days, right? What do you mean by trading day? Anything which starts from 5 p.m. CST until next day 4 p.m. CST. Even if you take one small trade also, that is called as one trading day. So for example, let us say you make $100 every day between 8 to 10 p.m. Central, right? It is very easy to make 100, $150 in your non-office hours. I'll show you how to do that. But if you do that for 10 days, you can request for a payout. And consistency target. What do you mean by consistency target? That means you cannot make some 5,000 a day and make $50 on next 9 days. Right? Maximum profit you can do out of those 10 days is 20% on one of the days. Right? For example, today, let us say I am making $2,000. Next 9 days, if I make 1,000, that is good. I cannot make 9,000 on day one and make only 50 on all the other 9 days. So maximum profit on one of those 10 trading days should be 20%. If it is above, then you have to continue for some more period before you request for the payout. And maximum you can have 5 accounts, right? Either you can have one account, and you can have 3 accounts of this. Like this, you have a 50,000 account and you have a 100,000 account, you have 150,000 account. Best one, what I suggest is I suggest 150,000 account because you have a drawdown of 7,500. That means even you have a bad day, suddenly you take NQ, suddenly there is a big drop. You take NKD or silver, suddenly there is some news. So still these accounts will hold such type of sudden drops, right? Your daily loss limit, one day maximum you can lose 3,750. You can continue on the next day. Your maximum, right, from the highest value of your account, it should not go below 7,500. So, which is very rare, right? Even you may make one mistake, two mistakes, but you will realize that, okay, I made this mistake. You may fix that, or you may try to compensate and start again recovering back. So, this will give you a lot of buffer for you to make some mistakes and recover from the mistake, right? And also, you don't have much difference, right? For example, if you take 50,000, you are paying 549 per annum, right? That is without 50% discount. With 50% discount, you are paying approximately, let us say, $275. For 100,000 account, you are paying approximately $310. For 150,000, you are paying $349 or something. So you have the difference is not much, but It will allow you to make some mistakes or sudden news or surprises also. Your account will not hit the trail stop loss or anything. Right? For example, if it is a 50,000 account, your daily stop loss is 1250, your trailing drawdown is only 2500. Suddenly NQ, right? Today we saw suddenly there was a big drop and immediately it bounced back. So it cannot hold such type of big sudden drops. But when you deal with a 150,000 account, every day you can easily make $500,000. By end of 10 days, you will be around $10,000. Right? That's what right I suggest, but it is up to you, whichever you think. Right? These are challenge accounts. This is where directly you will get a funded account. So in 50,000, you have two challenge accounts, one funded account. In 100,000, you have two challenge accounts, one funded account. Same thing in 150 also, you have this. And until tomorrow, you have this 50% off. You can go to that link and enter that coupon code. You will get the 50% off. Right. And then I'll show you the setup process, and then I'll also show you how we can make that. So I already right shared in the Sunday session also. So what is the way to consistently make profits? So whenever we want to trade with futures, we have certain steps, right? Whenever you want to take a long position, you need to get a buy signal, right? We have some indicators like beta, or we have price pulse, and we have TA2. So if we are following this and we are making consistent 80-90% success, I'll also demonstrate once I complete the setup session. Once you see this beta algo, right? Let me show you like with examples. Right, and you can watch all the recordings also in the live session. Sorry, all the live session recordings. Every day, whatever trades we are taking, we are recording everything, and all those are available. So, for example, today morning, right? What is your first rule? If you go to the PPT, we should first see a signal, buy signal or a strong buy signal from the beta algo. So I enabled beta algo, price pulse, and then I have another indicator called EI2 indicator. So for example, today morning I got a buy signal. At the back, we also got a strong buy signal. So both signals came at the same time. When you get a buy signal or strong buy signal, right? Generally you trade after 6:30. Right before that, it will be choppy. The volume will be very less, so it will be just to buy and sell. So we minimum right 6:30 central is the best time to start your trading. After 6:30 a.m. central, right morning 6:30 a.m. central until 2:33 p.m. central, that is the best time. Or after 8 p.m. central till 10 p.m. central, that is the best time. So after 6:30 a.m. central, if you see a buy signal or strong buy signal, you have to see if you are close to it, right? Your rule number two is buy signal should be close to a support zone or a discount zone or a major buy order block, right? What do you mean by support zone? So, for example, this is called as a support zone. Wherever you see this, that is a support zone. If you see something like, for example, so this is right. If you see a red bar, that is a resistance, whereas a blue bar is a support zone. In the same way, you have discount zone, and then a discount zone is where generally it is like a right price moves in a range between top and bottom. So in the range, it is a bottom range. This is where you have big companies are buying, whereas retail traders will be selling here, big companies will be buying here. What? So we want to buy with the big companies, right? Discount zone means they are buying at a discounted price. Whereas premium is where generally retail traders will be, right? Once stock moves up, we will be buying at a high price. Whereas big companies will be selling here. They will be buying low, they will be selling high. So whenever you get a buy signal, you need to see, am I close to a support zone? Am I close to a discount zone? If that is good, right? Our condition one is satisfied. Then condition two, this line should be green, this line should be green. And also if this line is also at the bottom here, that is the best thing. You will make nice profits. So we got a buy, we are close to support, we are close to discount. And this TI2, you have two lines here at the bottom and at the top. This one is turned to green, this one also turned to green. Then silver moved all the way to the top, right? Or we today we took Microsoft calls we bought. So again we got a buy signal, right? So you are at a discount zone, and also if you see, right, this is the discount zone, or this is the support zone, right? Price candles touch the support, started moving up. This line turned green, this line turned green. So from nearly $420, Microsoft moved all the way to 426 actually. So and also should be like this, right? You are also at a discount, right? Not only support, this is also a discount zone. So to enter a long position, you should first see a buy signal or a strong buy signal. Second is your buy signal should be close to support or discount zone or a major buy order block. What do you mean by buy order block? Basically, where the big companies, right? For example, let us look at, let me show you one more example. So, for example, right, you see that if you see something in the green color, right, 462,000 buy order block, 64,000 buy order block. So, if you see them in the green color and you see huge numbers like this, that means the big companies, all the big banks, they are buying here. So, if you are buying buy signal, you got a buy signal here. It is close to a big buy order block, right? Either it should be close to support, it should be close to a buy order block, or it should be close to discount. If it is happening with all the three, that is best, right? So, for example, Google, today you got a buy signal. It went all the way from $148 to $155. There is no sell directly. And if you see these boxes, that means there are more and more buyers, more banks, more insurance companies, they are buying more and more stocks. If you see green buyers, 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 as you see the more and more, you can add more stocks, you can add more option contracts. So you got a buy, the line turned green, the line turned green, right? It came to the bottom and it turned green. So for any buy, if it should be close to support or discount or a major buy order block, EI2 line at bottom chart should turn to green and upper chart should turn to green. If these conditions satisfy, you will make nice profits for a long position. In the same way, right, for a short position. For example, let us take mRNA example. Right, you got a cell signal. There is a strong resistance, right? And also, let me go to 5 minutes. Okay, this was strong sell at the premium zone this morning. This was around 7 o'clock, right? There is a resistance. You got a sell. So whenever you get a sell, your line turns to red. This line turned to red. Again, if this line turns to red at the top, that is the best opportunity. But even if it turns, this also turn to red, this also turn to red, you got a sell at a resistance. That is very good opportunity. You can make money with puts. You can short the stock, or you can, so same thing you can do with futures or anything. The strategy is same. Uh, so again, we'll take some live trades also later. But I hope you got the concept, right? Whenever you get a sell signal, you need to look for these, right? Are we close to the premium? Are we close to a strong resistance? Are we close to a major sell order block? Is the TI2 line at red? Is the TI2 line in the upper chart red? In the bottom chart red? If these conditions satisfy, you will easily make 100 $150 minimum for every signal. You have to just look for these things, right? Initially, it may take 1 minute for you to check it, but afterwards, right? Today we took nearly 30 40 trades, right? Because once you get practice, it is just by glancing at the chart, you know that okay, I got sell, this is red, this is red, this is at a support. That's it. Okay? So all you need to is remember this, or put a printout on your table, or have it on your phone. Whenever you get a buy or sell signals, you look for these conditions, right? And if we consistently do that, then every day you can, right? We can make this type of profits, right? Again, every day I can send my screenshots like how we are making. But again, I don't want anybody to, right? It took time to get to this level. So for everyone, it takes some time, right? It needs some emotional balance. But once you get it, right? So whatever you're making in 1 month, you can make in a day. But it needs practice. It needs that. So now you understood, right? What is the advantage? Then you can connect to, for example, here you can connect to these accounts directly. And then, right, yesterday night I took this. Today we made nearly $3,000 in the live session. I made one or two mistakes. Otherwise, it was more than 4,000 in one account. I forgot to close some trades, but right, again using Replicanto software, the same trade I can copy to Apex. I can copy to all the other accounts. So you are using effort one time, and your same profit you can make in different accounts. So now I want some members who took the accounts to help with the setup process so that how we can and how we can use duplicate and copy the trades. Yeah, I will explain that. So I want to know if anybody who has got it and who needs some support, they can share the screen, and I will step by step I will explain what you need to do. You can put it in the chat window, or you can raise your hand, whoever is want to share the screen. So I'll explain step by step, or if anybody want to take a new account, I'll also uh, help you. Uh, uh, Yeah, Subbu, I already helped you. So yeah, Madhu, you can take a new account and I'll right from account creation process. I'll explain everything step by step. Already this session is being recorded, right? I'll help one user and all the other users can follow the same steps. So if anybody want to uh, get it, right, I am sharing the link one more time with the coupon code and you can, yeah, you have to wait for 10 days for the payout, right? They won't pay every day because suddenly, let us say today you had some good news or bad news. So you are taking one trade and or some people will right trade on both sides. No, one account on the positive news, one account on the negative before CPI or PPI, such type of thing. So that's why they want traders to trade for minimum few days before giving the payouts. Mm, right. Yeah. All you need is one is either you need a subscription for Apex or some other prop firm or Tradeify, such type of things. Again, as I told you, you have two options. One is where you get access to one of these ones, where you have to complete evaluation. This will be very cheap, right? You may pay $30, 40, right? For example, Bullnox is having a 90% discount. You will pay only $18 to get a 50K evaluation account. Once you complete the evaluation, you will get the performance. Apex is having 80% off. You will pay approximately $36 to get a evaluation account. But here first you have to complete evaluation and then you will get the performance, then you will start making money. Whereas these ones, these are little expensive, but you can start making money from day one. So it is up to you, whichever you want, you can take the trades. And yeah, there is no DCA rule for this one. You can you can do multiple times. You can average it out. They don't have any DCA rules for Tradeify. Only Apex started that recently. You can do one time average, but you cannot keep on adding more and more average. So that's why Apex is right. Recently, they are doing more. They are asking for video proofs and lot of other things. That's where I started. You right. Tradify is looking like a good option now because of all those issues. So let me stop sharing. Then I'll just stop because I want to share from step one from the scratch. So you can follow. And I'll answer all the questions once you do it. Madhu- yeah, Madhu, you can join as panelist and you can share your screen.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, Madhu, I can. Yeah.
So I use the link.
Not all the plans are PAs, only the last plan. Can you go back, Mother?
Yeah,
You already,
I chose the last one, 150.
yeah, 151 is the best one. Yeah.
Uh, should I enter the coupon later? Not yet, right?
Once making the payment, you have to do it. You already entered your credit card details, all those things.
It just started asking for a sign up first, right? The account.
Oh, okay, yeah, then fine, yeah. Then, yeah. And so everybody, right, whoever want to do it, they can start signing up. And you can, yeah, in the apply coupon code, you can put that SF50.
Yeah, I'm just entering the billing details. 1 second, I'll share back.
Sure. So this is the step number one where you have to sign up. So you can click on the link and you sign up, and then you will come to this plan. You have to
I just
base.
completed that. Yeah, I'll wait on the screen. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So do you have Ninja Trader already, Madhu?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, you can open that. So I hope you have Replicanto, right, already?
No.
No, you don't have Replicanto. Okay. Then you don't need Ninja Trader. So if
Mhm.
someone is already using Apex or some other prop firms and you want to copy the trades to all different accounts at one time, then you need to go to Ninja Trader. Otherwise, I'm sharing the link one more time in the Zoom chat, or it is also there in US Equities group. Uh, so basically, right, if you don't have any other accounts, if you want to just use Tradeify and do the trading, then you have to just, yeah, can you open, can you click on dashboard? Right, yeah. You click on start trading and then it will take you to the Tradeaway web page. Yeah, go to that my account again. Go back to the previous page and you, beside the username, just click there. That will copy your username. Yeah, click on, yeah. Go to Tradeaway and copy that username. And now go to, yeah, now copy the password. Same thing. Yeah, click on login. Yeah, once you log in, it will basically ask you to update your information. You can just yeah, select United States at the top. Yeah, put your phone number. Yeah, click on save. And then you have to, it will ask you that are you non-professional, are you some hedge fund or something. So yeah, you selected non-professional, click on the next. And then you have to check box, there are two check boxes. Basically, they want to make sure you are not a hedge fund or anything. You are only doing your personal trading, not trading in some other accounts or something. And then yeah, you just copy your name, your first name and last name. You can copy paste here. Yeah, so you basically signed it. Yeah, close. And then yeah, come down, scroll down. That's it. Yeah, click on access simulation. Now go to the top right corner, top right. We'll close this one. Yeah, click on that. Yeah. And then you have to go to add-ons. Uh, at the top, you have add-ons. Yeah. So here you click on the trading view activate. So you are activating the trading view. So now you can connect this account from the trading view. So do you have trading view, Madhu, already?
Um, I don't know. I think I only have the Ninja Trader.
No, you have Ninja Trader, but you don't have trading view.
No.
Um, okay. So you can sign up for trading view in meantime, right? You can get a free trial, 1 month trial plan. Because from trading view, it will be easy for you to take the trades compared to
Okay.
Ninja Trader.
Is this the site?
Yeah, you can go there, get started for free, and you can sign up. So, yeah, Ratnakar, Ratnakar, are you there? Hey, Srikanth, are you there? Yeah, you can get any one of those plans.
I have
Yeah,
to still
please.
enter all the details.
Yeah, you have to enter the details. You can stop sharing and you can enter it, and you can cancel before 30 days. So it won't charge you anything. Yeah. Srikanth, are you there?
Hey, Kishore, sorry, I just went for the bathroom.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. So
You're
Srikanth,
saying something?
you already got the accounts, right?
Yeah, I already got 3 accounts.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Sure. Um, I think I'm not a host or a panelist.
Yeah, you can join as a panelist. And did you already complete the Tradeify process, or
Yeah. Yeah.
so whatever Madhu did, you already completed that, right?
I missed what Mother was doing. I was not near the system.
Okay, go to your Tradeify account, my account Tradeify.
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, you can see now. Yeah, click on
Yeah.
that start trading.
Okay.
So did you enter? Now you copy those credentials from your Tradeify.
Okay.
So did you complete these steps or not?
I was having the trade over of this one, right? So I Apex one. So I use Apex one, but
Yeah,
let me capture login here as well with this.
you can select United States in the country. The first one, yeah. Yeah, we can use Apex and Tradeify at same time. Yeah.
Yeah, I was using Apex one and I was using Replicanto to capture all those things.
Yeah. Yeah. You can select next. Yeah, close. Yeah, access simulation. And then go to the top right corner. Yeah, click on that. Go to add-ons and click on activate trading view activate. Yeah, now you can close this one. So this is the first step for anyone who want to use trading view along with Tradeify. Right. The step one is you will complete the sign up of the right. For example, Srikanth completed 3 accounts sign up. Right. That is your first step. You will use the link. You will use the promo code. You will get the access to those accounts. Then second step is you will click on the start trading. Go to the trader weight. Complete those non-professional agreement, and then activate your trading view activation. Now, can you open trading view, Srikanth? Yeah. Now you have to log out and you click on the trader weight. You go to trading panel and click on trader weight, and you have to just copy those credentials, whatever you have in the Tradeify. Just you have to copy paste that username password. Yes. Right. So now Srikanth can just use the indicators, right? Whatever that whenever that entry condition meets, then right, whatever trades he copy, all of them will get into that one account, 001 account. So I already explained you the right. Whenever we see get the buy signal, we have to see whether is it close to support, is it close to buy order block, or Is it close
Yeah.
to a discount zone? And then he will just complete those. So, for example, he want to copy his trades from the. Do you have replicant, Shrikant?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So now can you go to Replicanto and so this is a tool called Replicanto where you can write if you have a Ninja Trader, you can use this tool called Replicanto where you can copy that the same time you can copy to Apex, you can copy to Tradeify, you can copy to Elite Trader Fund. There are 10 different or 10 to 13 different firms. You can copy into all those companies at same time. Right? For example, within Tradeify, he has 3 or 4 accounts. When he is taking trade in one account, the same trade can be copied to account 2, account 3, account 4. Not only within the same company, even the same trade can be copied to Apex, same trade copy can be copied to Elite Trader Fund. So that means you are spending some 1 hour, 2 hours, but the same effort you can make money from 3, 4 different companies. For example, let us say, yeah, can you change the leader account to 001? Right? So whatever you are using in the trading view, you will put that as your leader account. So whenever he takes a trade in the trading view, the same will copy to Apex evaluate, right? If you see just Apex, that means it is a evaluation or challenge account. So the same trade will go there. Then it is also going to trade year 2, trade year 3 is also going to PA Apex 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at the same time, he is completing some more evaluations. He is making money in different PA accounts of Apex. He is making money in, he can make money in Tradeify. So that is the potential or advantage when you have the top firm accounts where you can make right, you can multiply. So there is no limit like this, right? As of now, he got 7 or 8 accounts. Maybe in the next week, Srikanth may get 20 PA accounts from Apex. He may have 5 different accounts from Tradeify. Then once he makes some more money, he will go to Elite Trader Fund, get some more accounts. He will so you are using the same time, same effort. You can keep on adding more and more companies, right? There are 20, 30 companies like that. Even tomorrow, Apex stops paying for some reason. Then you have Tradeify, you have all other companies. So that's why you don't need to depend on one employer, right? It is not like a job, right? If you are suddenly your employer says your job is gone, you don't need to worry because you have 20, 30 employers now, right? And you can do it from anywhere across the globe. Even though you are in India also, you can do it. You are in UK also, you can do it. You are in Canada also, you can do it. We don't need to worry about jobs or employment or because trading will continue, right? Whatever is the market, whether it is downtrend or uptrend, market will continue forever. We don't need to worry about job market recession. You can continue to make money. So, can you go to control center once? Because Ninja Control Center. If anybody is new, what you need to do is go to connections. So Srikanth already created that, but you have to go to click on configure and then you have to select Ninja Trader. Yeah, double click, yeah, click on add. And then whatever username and password you have to give that username and password and change that connection name to Tradeify or something. So it will be easy for you because you may have 10 different companies later. You need to know, okay, is it a Tradeify account or is it Apex account or is it like that? You can put that username and password. And then once you say apply, right? So now all those accounts are connected, right? So you have total 3 steps. One is completing the sign up process. Second thing is go to the Tradeovate, activate the trading view free activation, and then you can go to trading view and make that as the primary account. The step 3 is come to Ninja Trader, configure your account just like what Srikanth did now. Once you do that, all these accounts will appear in the replicanto. Then when you take a trade in one account, the same trade will get copied into all your other accounts. So now because you paid good amount and these are real money, you will be more careful, right? You have to wait for that entry criteria. Whenever you want to take a trade, make sure all those things are followed. And even if you make $100, right? For example, Shrikant makes $100, but he is taking trade in 10 PA accounts, right? Maybe 5, 6 Apex accounts, three Tradeify accounts. So even though he's making $100 in next half an hour, 1 hour, that is nearly $1,000 because the same is going into 10 different accounts. So he may be spending 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes to get to enter to make $100. But that is making him 1,000. And tomorrow, as he gains more and more confidence, as he start making money from Tradeify, Apex, again he will add few more accounts of some other prop firm. He can double his income. One again after 1 or 2 months, he will add one more company. So the strategy is same, right? That will work for stocks, options, futures. The strategy is same. Only thing is you have to just follow the discipline, follow the steps, and just keep taking the trades. So, Shrikant, are you feeling comfortable with this? Yeah, very happy with your progress. Yeah, great to see you made a lot of PA accounts, and I know you
Yes,
recently.
yeah, earlier it was like the way you said, right? Because it was $18, I was taking a lot of things and it never passed out. It's been 2 months I've been trying, but now only one indicator or two indicators with one ticker, like one contract. I'm just using that and luckily I'm getting through it.
Nice, nice. Yeah, good job, Shrikant. And yeah, can you go to any charts? Right, let us also take one trade so everybody can see like how we can maybe look at the change percentage, look like which one is moving good. I don't think you set up any notification. Okay, you might be using only one ticker and just watching it.
Yeah, I was watching the silver because it was on the top. I was just trying to see that it's gonna break this, but it didn't. It actually went out, but I'm still waiting because it has a lot of buyers here. So
Right, right,
the premium, I was just waiting if it can break this. I can take a buy signal. If it breaks
right,
this, I might take a short, but it's struggling in between. So I don't want to take any risk now because all are
right,
monthly accounts. So I didn't take any risk of taking any contract.
right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good. Uh, yeah. Before I give a real-time demo, anyone has any other questions? Before we take some live trades in all these accounts, you can put it in the chat window. Right. I hope everyone is clear with all the three steps: signing up, getting the account, so you get your username, password. Then,
Sure.
yeah, Shrikant.
Yeah, this was sorry. I can't connect, from the trading view to the other one, trade of
Okay.
it. That, should I
Ninja
share my
Trade.
screen quickly?
Can you share your screen again? Yeah, thanks Shrikant for sharing.
Yeah, anytime. Yeah.
So I click this right here.
Right, yeah. And you
Right.
have to copy the right. Yeah, yeah. Copy the password now.
This, I don't have
No,
access to
you
my.
have to click on the demo. I think you're click on the live account. You have to click on demo account. Yeah, yeah. Now click on connect.
Okay.
No, no, it got connected. So now any trades you take from here, they will get copied into, yeah, into the main account.
Do I have to bring in any add-on indicators here, or it's already there?
Yeah, you don't have any subscription to the indicators or to the crypto plan or anything.
On the Ninja Trader, I have.
Okay. Then you can use the Ninja Trader indicators, and whenever you get a buy or sell signal, you can take the trades here.
Okay.
Or you can do just like what Shrikant has shown. You can go to the connections and add the username password, and directly when you take trades there, they will get copied into your accounts.
Okay.
Yeah, Replicanto is the software uh, which will help you to copy trades from one account to any number of accounts. It can be within the same firm or it can be a different prop firm. Replicanto is the software name. Yeah, the owner of Tradeify is a very famous person. He's very expert in futures and so again, right? All these firms initial for 2 3 years they do everything perfectly, right? Apex they started a few years back. Now they are keeping some tight rules, but when they are in the initial days, they will give everything perfect so that they get more and more customers. So you don't need to worry about that. Um, Right, your Tradify subscription, that is right, $50, and then yeah, indicators. You will get all the indicators. You will get access to the live sessions every day. So within one day, you will cover that fee. And then Trading View, you can start with a free monthly subscription. Later, if you are seeing the value, if you start making money, you can. This November Thanksgiving, they give nearly 80% discount on their plans. At that time, you can get a Trading View plan. Uh, yeah, I will share the recording of this, and then I'm looking at the questions. Yeah, account type should be simulation. That is right. Yeah, even though it is funded account, you can select simulation. Yeah, RR1. I hope you have to use demo instead of live accounts. You have to select the tab as demo. Ninja Trader, if you are not using Replicanto, then you don't need Ninja Trader. You can directly take all you need is Trading View to do your trades. I think yeah, you already saw how to connect Ninja Trader to Tradeify. You have to go to connections and give the Tradeify credentials, and then your Ninja Trader will be connected to Tradeify. Yeah, you can also use Apex as a leader account and you can copy to Tradeify. It can be anything, right? Whichever you are connecting to TradingView, that can be your leader account, and all the others can be your follower or child accounts. And if you want to get more accounts, you have to repeat the same steps. Go to the URL, you have to buy one by one account in the Tradeify. And if you want to copy from one account to all others, so then you have to use Replicant software. And if you do one time, that is enough. You don't need to do it for 4 times. Basically, once you connect it, then all your accounts will be connected to the Ninja Trader and to the Trading View. Mm, yeah, let us take some trades and then, yeah, if anyone has any other support needed, you can share your screen and I'll help them out. But let us try to see if there are some good setups and then we can take some trades. So, so generally, whenever you want to do trading, right, always start to see which tickers are moving good on the day. So look at the bullish and bearish. For example, heating oil is looking good. Uh, ZL1. So if you see something here, we already got a buy signal. There is a big buy order block. It started moving up, and there are a lot of buyers in the market. So there is a very high possibility for it to break this. And one more thing I already shared earlier, always one thing you can do is plan ahead in the higher time frames before the market open. Watch the support and resistance levels in 1 hour time frame using the beta algo. Right? For example, I can go to 1 hour. So, for example, right, you see that there is a huge sell order block here in the 1 hour time frame. So I can just go and mark that level. And also there is a huge resistance, right? This is the resistance in the red color. This is the resistance in the red color. So what I'm doing, I am marking that in the horizontal. If I put a line, because when you go to 5 minutes, you may not exactly see the same sell order block, or you may not see the same resistance, because that is a 1 hour resistance. Right? 1 hour resistance is always a strong resistance compared to a 5 minute resistance. So when you mark those levels, there is a high possibility for price to drop from that level. So in case if it breaks this level, then it can go all the way somewhere here. So we have to wait here in case whether it breaks or can it go further high. So that is one more very important step. Even before the market open or tomorrow, for example, you want to take Tesla, you can go to 1 hour and you put like where you have a huge sell order block or huge resistance. Right, there is a $1.596 million sell order block. That means if Tesla goes to this point tomorrow, there is very high possibility for stock to drop. And then you can buy puts here, right? Whenever stock goes there, starts you see a red candle or you see a sell signal, right? Today itself, I can put a mark that okay, there is a strong resistance. Now, if I go to 5 minutes, when it goes here, I know that there is a very high possibility for a drop. Right? Tomorrow morning, sometime, it will touch this and then it may drop it. So if you buy puts, immediately you make 100%, 70-80% gains. So because that's a huge sell order block, or you want to trade Microsoft. Go to 1 hour. Right? You can do the same thing for support levels. There is a 115,000 buy order block. So this is my support. If price comes here, it will start going up. There is a 149,000. So this is a strong support. So if price comes here, it will bounce back. There is a 103,000. This is a strong resistance. So if price comes here, it may drop. So tomorrow, if price comes here and then you see a red candle or you see a sell signal, you can minimum stock will drop from here to here. Like that, you can identify what are the possible reversal points. Like that, I already did for all the futures. So for example, NKD, there is a strong resistance here. Right, there is a 2000 contract sell order block. Now I can put a support here. right? If you want, you can use different colors instead of orange. For example, you may want to use blue for support and orange for resistance. So in case NKD comes here, then it will start going up like that. When you put it in the higher time frames, you have much higher chances of success. For example, it comes here and then you get a buy signal. You already know that it is a strong support in 1 hour. That means there is a easily you will make 150 $200 with each account. And if you have 10 accounts, that is a $2,000, right? And if you have multiple, so for example, in Q, go to 1 hour, and identify you have a huge sell order block at 19678. So if NQ goes here, there can be a big drop. This is a small support. This is a strong support. Do you like that? If you put your indications, right, you can also add text if you want. You go here and you can say 1 hour. So whenever NQ comes there, you can make nice profits. There is nearly 11,000 buyers, 8,000 orders. So you got a sell now, right? You got a sell, you got a red line, you got a red line. Some of these are red, and you can see these are right. These green boxes are buyers. These red boxes are like sellers. So generally when it is dropping, you will wait for a pullback. If it goes little bit up, then again it will drop. Right? When it is moving up, generally it will go up. There will be a pullback. Again it will go up. There will be a pullback. It will go up. The same way when it is coming down, it will be coming down. It will try to go up. Again it will come down. Again it will try to go up. So you have to wait for a small pullback and then we can enter a short. Right. Or I can take a micros. Micros is 1/10 of the risk. So if it goes little bit up, then again it may drop further, right? Because you see that if it is at the bottom, it will go up, right? You can see price went all the way up from 420 to 460. Now it is coming down. Price is coming down. You can go in. So I took some micros because if it is somewhere at the top, I would have taken NQ. With micros, your risk is minimal. I can always add one or two more micros. If it goes to the top, I can add another micro. Yet again, this is the support. So there is a high possibility for stock NQ to come all the way here and then again start moving up. Generally, NQ and NKD will move in the same direction. And here also you can see that you got a sell signal, you got a red dot, red line, red line. So it was dropping, trying to go up, again dropping, trying to go up, again dropping, trying to go up, again it may drop further. This already came to the bottom, so you can see a lot of buyers for crude oil. There are a lot of buyers here, buyers here, buyers here, and all these RSI, SMA, everything is green. That means there is a lot of bullish momentum. This is where you have a lot of sellers. If you see in the red color, that means they are sell orders. If you see in green color, they are the buy orders. There is a high possibility for crude oil to go all the way till here. Again, price will pull back, go up, pull back, go up, pull back, again go up. We can wait for the pullback. Already you got a buy signal and you got it close to the buy zone, discount zone. You have a buy order block and the price. This is green, this is green. So now the price came all the way to the bottom, right? If you see this one, the line is trying to slowly turn to green, right? So that means it is oversold now, again trying to go up. So for example, if I get a buy signal now, right, we are close to a support. And if I get a buy signal, we can go long on NKD. This line also should turn to green. What do you think, whether ES will drop or will go up? Yeah, this is a red line. So it will act as a resistance. Whenever price goes and touch that, price will drop. You can go. This is also red, right? It is trying to come down. So there is a high possibility for this one to drop. Your NKD also. There are a lot of sellers here. So buyers try to go up, then sellers are pushing the price down. So think these boxes as sellers, big sellers who are pushing the price down. And these are like the buyers who will try to push the price up. So if you see a lot of these things, then price will keep on going up. If you see a lot of these red boxes, the price will keep going down. There is a high possibility for price to touch this before going up. Right, everything is red here. You have a red line here, and you have a lot of sellers here. Right, there are sellers here, sellers here. They are trying to push the price down. So we shorted at 655. So even if I buy at 640, 640, that is $75 for each account. So if I'm copying into 10 accounts, that is $750. So 655 is the shorted price. So you got it right, the advantage. You don't need a huge, even $75 with 10 accounts is $750. So you have to click on the trade button. When you click on the trade button, this will open. And then whenever you want to sell something, you have to put on this side. Whenever you want to buy something, you have to click on this side. So because this is right, as I said, you have all these red ones, all these are red. That means there is a high possibility for price to go down. So I shorted at 640 and now bought it at 630. I can again short at 6:30. You see, still a lot of sellers. I shorted at 6:30. So even if I buy at 6:20, that is $50. 50 into 10 accounts is $500. Right? You are using only because we have a support here. There is a high possibility for price to come here before going up. But even if you see in the hourly time frame, it is in the downtrend. Your 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 30, everything is in the bearish momentum. So there is a high possibility for this to drop all the way. Right? If I hold it for some time, in 1 minute it is little bullish. That means for a small time frame it may go a little bit up, but in higher time frames it is looking more bearish. So that is the advantage when you have a big account. Even if you hold it for more time, you don't need to worry because you have nearly 3,700, 750 daily drawdown, 7,500 drawdown. So it may go a little bit up, but again, there are a lot of sellers here. So it can come all the way down. So if I wait with patience, I can make nearly $1,000 just with one trade. It may come all the way here before bouncing up. So that is the advantage when you have, right, in the hourly format, you have a one big red, right? It touches the resistance. You got one big red candle, one big red candle. It may try to go a little bit up, but again it will come all the way down. So you can hold the trade for more time without, if you have a small account, 50K account, you may want to take quick stop loss or something. But when you have a big account, you can look in higher time frames, smaller time frames. You can wait with patience and because all your higher time frames, it is very bearish. That means if you give some time, you can make $500-600 with one account or more than that because 600 to 300 is 300 points. Now, using the 1 hour time frame, I already saw that there is a huge sell order block here. So I have drawn a line here, right? Because there is a possibility for a drop. So now if I go to 5 minutes, you always plan in the higher time frame. For example, if it comes down, then it can come all the way down somewhere here. But if it breaks this resistance, then it can go all the way till here. So this is the breakout. But if you see this one, it is already went all the way to the top. So there is a possibility for a drop. If we get a sell signal, that will be a good opportunity. We have to get sell signal. This should turn to red. This already turned to red. That too, this turned to red at the top. That is a good thing. If it turns to green at the bottom or if it turns to red at the top, they are the best opportunities. We are just waiting for this line also to turn to red. And now you can also see there are sellers now. Sellers are coming into the picture. All this time it was buyers. Now slowly sellers are coming. So if we receive a sell signal, then it can. So there are buyers here, sellers are coming. So there is a possibility for a drop. Because this is, there was a huge drop again, right? This is at the top, this turn red, this turn red. We got a sell signal at the premium zone. This is the premium zone. So very high possibility for it to come all the way here. So in the evening time, generally volume will be slow compared to morning hours. But we have to wait with patience, right? Again, we got the sell signal. It is at the top. Green turn to red. Green turn to red. We should have entered somewhere here, but still it can go down. It can come all the way down here. So this So we took profits on NKD. So that's what if we follow a strategy again, right? If I want to swing trade, if you want to stay awake, then there is a high possibility for it to come all the way here. Same thing with ES also. If I give some time, just we need to have patience. It will come all the way down. It's trying to go up. Again, sellers are pushing it down. Again, it tried to go up. Again, they are pushing it down. This time it may break the support. If it breaks the support, it will come all the way down. Especially mainly whichever are on the top, they are good for short opportunities. Right? Whichever the change percentage is red, that means generally they are in the downtrend. Okay, may come all the way here. Because you are taking trades in 4, 5, 10 accounts, 20 accounts, even if you make $50, you wait for one good opportunity where you have something at the top, you got a sell signal. Just one trade is good enough, right? Even if you make $50 in 10 accounts, that is $500 done for the day. You can stop trading and again do the same thing next day evening. But I took some more profits there. If NQ breaks this support, it can come all the way down. It is trying to go up. Sellers are pushing it down. So whenever it goes and above, right, touches this line, I can short it one more time. Again, it will come down. Now again, it will be little slow. In the morning time, within 1 2 hours, you can easily make $200 300. During this time, it will be volume will be less. At 6:30 a.m. Central to unless if there is any news event, you have to stop trading at 7:25 Central because right, generally 7:30 a.m. is where they publish the reports, PPI, CPI, employment reports, all those things. Again, it tried to go up, again pushing it down. Now from here to here is $25, right? We shorted at 5603.25. If I buy it here, right, 15 people are ready to buy here, 2 people or 7 people are ready to sell here. So even if I buy here, it is 25. If I have 10 accounts, that is $250. So just a simple, a small move because we know it is going dropping, right? Until it comes here, it can continue to drop. And we know that there is a red line here. And 1, 3, 5, all for short term, it is looking bearish. These are red. So even if I make small profits also, that will multiply. In the morning time, if I get one trade like this, where you buy at the bottom, that itself will make $300 400 easily with one account. In the evening, you have to put more time, but in the morning time, especially between 9 to 11 a.m. Central, that is the best time because both Europe market will be there, US market will be there. There will be a lot of traders between 9 Central to 11 Central. So if you want to do stocks or options or futures, that is the best time. But as I said, if we wait for another 1 2 hours, we may see it here somewhere here. That is another $400 500 with each account. I hope, right, it makes sense. There won't be any fine or anything, even if you make a loss on the account, there won't be any problem, right? Because yeah, they already know the risk, and so they make money because a lot of traders trade just with emotions, without a proper system, without proper discipline. So they know they can make money from 90% of the people, only 10% can make profits. So just like an insurance company, right? Even though you pay $100 for your car premium. If something happens to your car, they will pay 30,000, 40,000 for your car, because they know 95% of the people may not get into accidents, only 5%. In the same way, prop firms also knows that 95% of retail traders trade with emotions without using any system. But when you use proper systematic approach, you will make profits. If you just trade without any proper right understanding, then we'll get into losses. So that's why, because if you fail, then all the money you are paying is right complete profit to them. And if 9 out of 10 people are failing, then 9 people money is for the prop firms. They are only paying to the one person who uses a systematic approach. So if you follow the rules, you will be 1 out of 10. If you don't follow the rules, then you will be 9 out of the 10. No, consistency rule means, I'll explain consistency rule one more time. So for example, you need to trade on 10 days, day 1 to day 10 to make payouts. So let us say you made 500 to $600 on average each day, where your lowest amount is 450. Your let me take something, right? Okay, you made 400 day 1, 400 day 2. Like that for 9 days, you made approximately 410, 420, 430. On one day, you made 600. So your total is approximately, let us say 5,000, or let us say $6,000. 4,000 into 9, 3,600, 4,200. Right? Let us say approximately you made 4,200 in 10 days. But 20% of that is around 840. So maximum on any of these 10 days, you can have $840. Right? You cannot have a $5,000 day, and you cannot have $100 days on all other 9 days. Right? Whatever is the total in the 10 days, one of the days can be maximum 20%. Other days can be 10%, 15%, 20%. But you cannot have a 50% day, and you cannot have 5%, 5%, 5% on all the other days. For example, let us say you made $1,000 on one day, and you made $400 on all other days. Then what they will ask you is, they will ask you to trade for another 10 days. Now they will see what is the average, right? Now let us say your average is 9,000 for 20 days. So 20% of 9,000 is, or let us say, yeah, let us say 9,000. So next, then they will say 20% of 9,000 is 1,800. So your maximum on one of the 20 days can be 1,800. Right? They won't deny the payouts. Only thing they will ask you If one of the days has more than 20%, they will ask you to trade for some more days so that your average uh, one of the days maximum should be around 20% or less than 20%. Yeah, RC5 and RCTA2 both are same. Yeah. For stocks options, you can write these generally this company doesn't have stocks and options. You can use another company called tradefundar.com. They allow you to trade stocks and options, but they don't have a trading view integration. They have NinjaTrader integration, but they don't have Tradeoway or trading view integration. But yeah, if you want to trade stocks and options on the prop firms, you can use that tradefundar.com. Again, I want to wait until 36,400 because I see there is a high possibility for a drop. Right, everything is red. 30 minutes also it is red. 1 minute, 3 minutes. So yeah, if we wait with patience, then it can make some nice $300-400, another $300-400 easily. Yes, again went further down, made another $50. So like that, whenever it goes, touches that, I took a shot. Right, it tried to go up, then again it started dropping. Or even you can use right. Whenever the line is green, it will try to come to the line, go up, come to the line, go up. So for example, if you missed the initial entry when you got the buy signal, then you wait for the pullbacks. Whenever you get a pullback, you can enter long, as long as your line is green. Once it is green, you wait for, if for example, you missed this initial entry, then you wait for it to go touch the line, it will drop. Again, it will touch the line, drop. So it can, until it come to this point, it can keep on dropping. So NKD is making, and that is nearly, even with 5 accounts of Tradeify, it is $1,000. Right? How you can make $1,000 in 1 hour with our IT jobs? Yeah, say we can hold for some more time. Yeah, it is. Trade fund or they don't have trader weight. They have only Ninja Trader. They charge monthly. Yeah, that's it, everyone. I'll post when I close these trades. But I hope everybody got the concept and right, what is the advantage, how to set up these accounts, and how to take the trades, how we can consistently make profits. And then with every futures, we have a corresponding ETF. So that means, for example, if NQ is dropping, right, in the morning time, you can buy QQQ puts. If ES is dropping, you can buy SPY puts. That means you are making money with futures. At the same time, you can make money with options. For example, if gold is going or Bitcoin is going down, you can do buy BITO puts. So for everything, there is a corresponding ticker. You can buy stocks, you can sell stocks, you can buy calls, you can buy puts. If YM, then you can do DIA. If it is RTY, you can do IWM. So at the same time, you can you can do multiple ways. You can make money with. You're watching the same chart. You can take trades in prop firms. You can take trades in your personal accounts. You can take in the stocks. You can do in the options. You can do it like with the same chart, right? For example, NQ. If NQ is dropping, you can do TQQ puts. You can do QQQ puts. Yeah, and most of the tech stocks like Tesla will keep going down. If NQ is going down, your Tesla, Google, Amazon, they will keep going down. You can make money with all of them. So all you need to is wait for that condition. Once you see that condition, then everything will follow. Again, it will come all the way. Then again, once they start moving, you can buy SQQ calls if NQ is dropping. Like that. But yeah, it needs some practice. It needs some. Yeah, once you understand, then you will be confident and you can consistently take the trades. Again, right? As I told, more and more sellers are coming into the market. So as you see more and more of these red boxes, you can be more confident to hold the trades. And also we checked in 1 hour. We saw that we got a sell in the 1 hour. There is a strong resistance. This turned to red. This turned to red at the top. So there is very, very high possibility for it to come all the way till this point. In Replicanter, you have to manually set everything. Yeah, in Tradeify, you directly get PA accounts, 150K PA accounts, that is for 1 year. For entire 1 year, you are paying 350. As of now, they have 50% discount until tomorrow. After that, they may remove that. And your MNQs are also making money. NQ would have given a lot more, but because we already have NKD, yes, we did not take NQ. But I hope you got the concept. And yeah, that's it, everyone. It is always better to have a backup plan so that you can create some side income and you don't need to worry about your IT jobs. As long as you are making $500 every day, you don't need to worry about right. Again, you don't need to spend throughout the day. You spend 2 hours in the evening and just follow that strategy. You can make that 500 in each account, right? Even if, let us say, only start with $100 in account. Don't even worry about $500. Even if you make $100, that is $500 in 5 accounts. So that is nearly 2,500 every week. That will replace your primary income. So we have setup sessions for our members every day or by every 2 days. If you are a subscriber for the indicators, we help you with all the replicanter setup, all the indicator setup, everything. Yeah, Amir, what is your question?